There's a lot of potential of artificial intelligence in education.
Coming days are going to be full of excitement, full of activities, and full of better things to come.
Hi, I'm Aishwarya DKS Hegde, a very proud and a passionate educationalist. I feel education keeps the child in me alive, and it keeps a child in every professor alive as they bring and transform education in my country, India. And I feel today in India, it's not a child-centric education system, but a learner-centric education system, where the child, the teacher, and the institution are all learners. Whatever we've done in the past has gone beyond books, but today it is a time where we bring experience and engagement into reality. And I've always felt teachers are at the core of what we do in education, and empowering them is going to empower the nation. Right now, a lot of us focus on the child and how everything can be made easy for the student or the child. But if we can actually reverse the technology and say things can be really made impactful and empowering a teacher, we have to remember and not forget that a teacher empowers 1,000 more children. So I feel today at College Dunia, there was a lot of emphasis given on how educators have to take AI, how educators have to be in the center of policy making in education, which is a great progress in education in our country. And with the new national education policy coming in, I feel there's so much diversity and interdisciplinary processes in education that has brought about that it will create revolution and bring about problem solving as the basis for education. Education has no more being answering questions, but asking questions today with AI. So let's bring about the curiosity in every child as we encourage them to ask questions, and that's something all of us educators in our country should start doing. And today we were talking about AI, and recently I was at a panel discussion which gave me a lot of insight on how data privacy is so important in AI. But more than data privacy, I think bringing in social responsibility into AI will actually bring about more change. Because AI is a great tool. We only have to socially and responsibly use it. How to make that happen is still a question in front of us. And I really hope all the educators watching this will bring about against solutions to make AI a part of our system and not peer from the system. So thank you, College Dunia, for giving me the opportunity to keep the child in me alive and express myself and make sure I am trying to empower a few more educators through this video. Thank you so much. We will revolutionize education by 2047 as not a following country, but a leading country with technology, education, and experiential system brought into our education system. Thank you for having me.